Hi, Bank of America Securities has come up with their brokerage note and target price on two leading banks. Let's talk about that. First bank is ICICI Bank, on which BoFA Securities has maintained its buy rating with a target price of ₹760 per share. They highlight that amongst the large cap banks, ICICI Bank has given the best year-to-date returns till now and is up around 24% this year. They say that the ROE normalization for the bank is well on track, which is being driven by the increase in the investor confidence around its growth story. It is not only about growth that they highlighted. They are holding a constructive view around the turnaround story, which they feel may pan out well over the next 2 to 3 years. Talking in the shorter term period, they feel that in terms of valuation, the bank still has room for further re-rating, which could be seen over the next 6 to 12 months. Although they feel that in terms of the risk reward, it is a little bit of less favorable as of now due to the sector pending clarity, which is still awaited, and due to that they have cut their EPS estimate by 3 to 8%, which is also mainly driven by the higher credit cost. So this was about their take on the ICICI Bank. Now talking about another leading bank, which is HDFC Bank, on which BoFA Securities has maintained its buy rating with a target price of ₹1,850. But before I tell you what BoFA Securities has commented on HDFC Bank, let me take you back to what Macquarie has said a day before. So like we mentioned and told you that Macquarie in one day before report, they have maintained their outperform rating with a target price of ₹2,005, in which they highlighted that in the near term, the delinquencies are likely to rise, but overall losses will be contained in the second COVID wave. And they do encourage their investors to grab the stock at the current market price as it is trading at quite a discount, which is like 15 to 20% discount to its historical average price to book value. So they do recommend their investors to buy the stock, and in line of those, BoFA Securities today commented that the bank has underperformed over its peers like ICICI Bank and Axis Bank, but at the current market price, it offers an attractive opportunity for the investors to enter. In terms of the digital banking and the card business, this segment has started to show some growth momentums, and in the near term, they feel that they will be addressed over the next 2 to 3 quarters. Due to that, they have cut their EPS estimate by 4 to 5%, which is also mainly driven by the high credit cost. But HDFC Bank still offers the best growth plus the ROE combination in the industry. So you see that Macquarie and BoFA Securities, they both hold a constructive view on HDFC Bank Still, and on the ICICI Bank, BoFA Securities is maintaining a buy rating with a target price of ₹760 per share.